been to a gig and wondered how the artist's sound actually reaches you, or how the speaker on your phone plays music? In this video we'll explore how loudspeakers work and how electromagnetism makes it all possible. A loudspeaker converts electrical signals into sound waves that we can hear. At the heart of a loudspeaker are two key components, a permanent magnet and a coil of wire. An electromagnet is created when an electrical current passes through the coil of wire, producing a magnetic field that makes the coil behave like a magnet while the current flows. When an alternating current, like an audio signal, flows, the magnetic field keeps changing direction, causing the coil to be pushed and pulled by the permanent magnet. The coil is attached to a cone, so as it moves back and forth, the cone vibrates, pushing air to produce sound waves that we hear. To make your own loudspeaker, you first need to use some blue tack to fix the magnets to the centre of the wooden base. Next, you need to use some elastic bands to suspend the coil of wire above the magnets, making sure the two loose ends of the coil hang downwards. You then need to create a cone from a piece of card. To do this, draw and then cut out a circle. And then make a single cut from the edge to the centre and overlap the edges to form a cone shape. Next, fold it in half to locate the centre and snip the bottom of the cone off so it fits nicely around the coil. Secure the cone to the coil using sellotape. Now, connect your loudspeaker to a signal generator by attaching the two loose ends of the coil using the crocodile crows. The signal generator can then be connected to a phone or other audio source using an auxiliary cable. Finally, press play and you should see and hear your homemade loudspeaker in action like this. So, loudspeakers are one application of permanent magnets, but can you think of any others? Magnets are everywhere. We've almost certainly used several today without even noticing. They're inside everyday items like electric kettles, lawnmowers and TVs, as well as in hard disk drives and MRI scanners. Magnets are also critical to green technologies, powering electric vehicles and enabling wind turbines to generate clean electricity. But there's a challenge. Most of these magnets are made using rare earth elements, which are difficult to extract and face supply risks. That's why recycling magnets is so important. To find out more about this, please check out the Discover Materials in the Midlands Magnets video on the Discover Materials YouTube channel.